Hi there, webmasters. I want to send a big thank you to Sue at St. Croix Falls because she suggested that I dig into time slot booking form as an alternative plug-in for booking library appointments. And it has everything that we need, every function that we need, and it's for free. So here's the test page on Durand Public Library. And you'll see right off the bat that in this plugin, I can create separate calendar forms for the different services. It's awesome. Let's go down, which means I can set, if Curbside is offered on different days than browsing and computers, the forms can follow that easily. And for the time slots, you can still pick your time intervals, but on the back end, I can set it so that there's only a certain amount of appointments available per time slot. How awesome is that? And if a time slot is open and someone submits a request, it will be automatically approved. So you don't have to approve every single appointment. How cool is that? Thank you, Sue. So let's just walk through it quick. So I want to do a curbside pickup on the 22nd at 1:30. My email, my first and last name is my daughter. Pickup alternate. This one does not have a checkbox option, but you can put in a text line that for, if you want to pick up a summer reading handout at your curbside appointment, you can do that. Yes. Boom. Done. And it only allows people to select one appointment time block per submission. So that's great. Now, let's say I don't want to do curbside, but I want to do computer use. Well, I can hyperlink each form to a button so that person can just jump down to the form they need. How cool is that? So let's take a look at the back end. Here is the Wordpress time slots booking form. And you'll see here that I officially have a different calendar for each appointment type. So let's say that I want to see the submitted orders. I click on booking orders, and here are my booking orders in a row. Here's the 22nd, here's the 22nd, right? And you can see over here, this is where you can change if they shouldn't be approved or anything like that. Now, we can go to the schedule and see what the schedule of the day is going to be. And here's our calendar and you just hover over the appointment for the details, right? So we have 2 appointments at 9:30 a.m., 2 appointments appointment at 1:30 and appointment at 1:45, right? Or you can view it as a schedule list, and the appointments will be in order by time, right? And you can print this off for the day, or you can export it to an Excel spreadsheet, which then you can open up into Google Docs and have it available for your whole staff to see. And here's the information right there and the phone number. Of course, you'd have to format it so it knows that this is a number and all that. But look at that. It has all the information there, right? Pickup alternates, they're in there too. So that's very nice. So, the person who closes down for the night can print the schedule for the next day, or the person who comes in the next morning can print the schedule or export the schedule for that day, open it up on Google Docs and update it with those last minute appointment requests if needed. What else do we want to see on the back end? You can send automatic emails just like we did for the other plug-in. And what I mean for that is, under notification emails, this one is, it's processing, we have it, thank you very much. And then this is the email to the user saying, We have received your curbside pickup request, and we'll get back to you soon. And there's also your request has been approved. The staff can add a booking, and it's the same way on the back end. But here is the treat here. So you've set the day where the service is available. On the staff side, you can see how many appointments are remaining per time slot. How awesome is that? That's really cool. And when you make a booking for someone, it can send them a notification if an email is included. I also want to mention that we can create a landing page for when a user submits a request, then they're taken to a thank you page, and we can put a button on that thank you page that says submit another request, or a button that says go back to the home page, so that a person doesn't have to re-find where this page is. Here is the information, how it works, installation and all of that from time slot booking form, and I will include that in the email if you have any extended or in-depth questions. Email me if you are ready to go and want this on your website.